convert hours to minutes and minutes to seconds by analyzing number stories. Why is it important to be able to convert hours to minutes and minutes to seconds in your mind? Yes.
So that you can tell the time, and so that you're like not late for like going to school or going to meetings or going to work.
Yep. Tell time. You want to make sure you're good with your schedule, right? Any other thoughts about telling time? Okay. I'm about to blow your mind. Okay. This right here, this clock, it's a tool to measure. And it works exactly the same as a ruler or a yardstick. Yes. Isn't that wild? Okay, yeah. Okay. All we are doing is measuring time with this tool right here. Okay? Yes. Pretty wild, right? So if you think a day on Earth, as we've been studying in our solar system unit, a day on Earth is about 24 hours long, right? So someone, whoever invented the clock or whoever invented how to measure time, decided they were going to divide that 24 hours into two 12-hour pieces. We call it AM and PM. It starts at the 12 and counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? And it's how we measure our day. So as time goes by, we have different measurements. We have hours, minutes, and seconds, and they are very closely related. Okay? Open to page 49. At the top of page 49. Oh, wait, I'm sorry, I'm moving fast. At the top of page 49, you probably recognize this tool. It's a conversion tool. So it's a lot like when we did, I think we did yards and feet a few weeks back, right? Yeah, with the substitute. So if you can see the very top portion, there's two, I mean, it looks like rulers, don't you think? Looks like two rulers in a way. It's just that it's not circular. But as you can see, the top ruler or the top conversion chart is minutes to, I'm sorry, yep, minutes to seconds, right? So how many seconds are in 1 minute according to this chart? Yes, 60 seconds. How many seconds are in 7 minutes according to this chart? Yes, 420 seconds, right? Is there a rule that you know that how you can figure minutes to seconds, even just based on that? What's your thought? Okay. So it's not 6, it's 60, right? But yes, I like your thought process there. I'm sorry I didn't recognize that because that is something I want to talk about. Is you can do 6 times the number of minutes, right? Do you guys know this one? So if it's like 8 minutes and then you multiply it by 6, who can do 6 times 8 for me? Yes, it's 48. And then because instead of doing the 6, I'm sorry, you moved place values from 60 in the tens place to the 6 in the ones place, since you're going to go back to the tens place, you just add a 0. You remember how when you multiply by 10, you add a 0 to the end, right? In the back, please. In the back. I need you with me, please. Okay? Thank you. So that's your rule. 60 times any minute that you choose equals the seconds that you will get. Are we good with this? Thumbs up, thumb sideways, thumbs down with this. Wonderful. Okay. The second ruler that you see right below the minutes to seconds is the hours to minutes. Okay. So what's the rule when you're converting from hours to minutes? Yes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This looks a lot like this one, right? How would you write the rule? How would you write the rule? 60 times hours equals minutes, right? So the rule is similar. And you probably know this when you look at a clock, there's little 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you were to count all the increments or the measures, including the main numbers, which also have marks on them, there would be 60 that go all the way around, right? This little second hand, the red hand, ticks 60 times, and what happens is this moves 1 minute, right? As soon as this moves 1 minute 60 times, this one moves 1 full hour. Are you guys good with that with a clock? Okay. Here's something that you're going to be asked to do. You're going to have to be aware. This is all, there's some number stories involved. I wish we would hold on, please. I wish we would hold on. Okay. I wish we would hold on, please. Okay. I will just erase all your work if that's what we're going to do. Okay. I need you with me. Okay. Sometimes what you're going to have to do is go all the way from hours to seconds. So you're going to have to take 2 steps. Okay. So you're going to have to starting with the hours and multiplying it by 60 to get the minutes, and then also starting with the minutes and multiplying it by 60 to get the seconds. Okay. Just for your reference, I know it doesn't show this here. Oh, no, it doesn't show it here. If you were to multiply 60 times 60, right? Any thoughts about this? Yes, sir. That's what it would equal if we added it, yes. But I want to multiply it. Yes. Think about it like this. I'm going to take these 2 zeros over here, okay? And I'm going to multiply just 6 times 6. What's 6 times 6? Yes. It's 36. And then I can put those 2 zeros back. When you're multiplying, you would put those 2 zeros right back in. So in 1 hour, there are 3,600 seconds. Okay, so for your estimation, okay, 1 hour has 3,600 seconds. Do you want to write that down on that page just for you to have somewhere, maybe at the very top?